Coming down as a record. Hey, it's Sean with Dents, and I'm here today at Capel High School handling a warranty claim for the band teacher. So trying to rush to get it in. If you can see, the skies are pretty gray, man, and it's been coming down. So I'm gonna rush to get it in, but I thought it'd be fun to do a little documentation. All right, so this is what we have. Small one, but this one's all about timing today. Yo, the rain is falling and I'm done. Want to get in so quick that I forgot to put the timer on, but I'm done now. I'll show you what I'm gonna move on from this one. Thanks for watching. Coming down as a record.